Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the Jamaican vibes and the Jamaican lifestyle. This is about part 2 recipe. I did one a few months ago. Yeah. So you can check out that one as well. But this one is the updated version. To start off, I'm gonna add the whole pack of this coconut cream. And look at that, guys. There you have the oil. You don't need no more oil. Look there. Yeah, that's good enough. And I'm gonna scrape everything out. Now guys, can you see the goodness? This is really good. Yes. So to dissolve this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of warm water. All right, 2 cups. This is boiling hot water. Hot, so till I'm gonna add about roughly about 2 cups or 2.5. Look like 2.5 to me, but more water is better, guys. You want to dissolve this one. All right, and at the same time I'm gonna go in with a can of the cream. With this one, I'm gonna go in with 1.5 cups of brown sugar. If it's a little bit lumpy, it's good. 1 cup. And about that, 1.5. And I'm gonna add my salt in, a teaspoon, and we're just gonna dissolve this all at once. 2 teaspoons, 1, 2. of vanilla. Okay, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon almond extract, or you can say 1 corkful. Jamaican people say 1 corkful. Woo, this smells like heaven. 3 cups of cornmeal, and now I'm gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and now I'm gonna add 1 cup of this coconut flour, or you can put a handful of coconut trash. All right, that's it. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Jamaican allspice, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon mace, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Give this a little mix. And this what I'm making, guys, will give you 2 pudding. All right, and guys, if it gets cold, you can warm it up in the microwave or on the stove top, not in the bowl now, in a pan. And that's it, guys. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. Guys, it smells like heaven. Now guys, can you see it start to get thickened? Because a warm water, well warm. I got a call, so let's get back into this video. All right, so this is my bowl, and I'm gonna add half can. And I'm gonna go in with about a cup or 2 cups of water. Let's put it 2 cups. Just add it in. Ooh, it's hot. Be careful. I'm gonna add half first. So basically, guys, you just want to make sure it's runny. Don't make it thick, because why, you don't want that kind of pudding. You're gonna lick your cross your head, it's too tough. Pop out your false teeth and all of that. Oh, guys, you need to be in the kitchen with me. And I also noticed, guys, I have to add a little bit more liquid because of the coconut flour. All right, give it a good mix now. And put all of it. So basically, just judge it, guys, and add liquid. Add more coconut milk, add more water. And guys, remember, because of the hot water, it's gonna rise the cornmeal. So this is okay now. And I'm gonna put some butter and grease my pan. I'm gonna also set a grease-proof paper in the bottom. And I'm gonna do 2 of this. Off camera, I went ahead and I pour the next half of this in it because it's too thick and I want it to be runny. At this time, I'm gonna taste it. It's good, but let's add a little bit more sugar. Another 1/4 cup. So 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Because you know, a cornmeal pudding, you want it a little bit sweet. Guys, when you're baking, you just have to taste and judge it and mix as you go. Oven at 350. 350 is good enough. And I'm gonna bake them for the first 15 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna add the custard, and then I'm gonna bake them for another hour to hour and a half. So, ooh, I want to whole eat this in, guys. Pour it in. And the next one. I'm gonna pop them in for the first 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna make the custard. I'm gonna add about half can, or you need about a cup. About that. 1 teaspoon vanilla. And a smidge of red label wine. Be careful, okay, guys? We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Smells like heaven. Oh, be careful, guys. We're just gonna sprinkle on the custard on top. Now I'm gonna pop them in the oven for another hour and 20 minutes or hour and a half, for about hour and 45 minutes, and we're gonna take them out. Ooh. And we're gonna make 1 cut from here. Get that juicy piece with a big slice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh yes. Look how soft I'm here. Can you see the juiciness?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Can you see the goodness? Focus. There it is. Juicy. Final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that. Woo! Look at that juiciness. One love and be blessed.